Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the all-in-one hard drive to SSD. And if you want to be seeing more videos like this, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. So for step 1, we are going to start by losing this stand. Then we are going to be losing this screw nest. So you are going to be lifting it gently because there is a flex, the screen flex, so you don't end up cutting it. So here's a screen flex. Now this is our hard drive. So the next thing for you to do is to loose this screw here. This is it. So you might want to maybe look for something and then rest this screen on so it doesn't fall, so you can make use of your both hands, or you can just slightly rest it on the table carefully. So once that is done, you just pull this out and then remove this SATA connector. This is our hard drive. Now we are going to be replacing with this SSD here. So what you are going to do next is that we are going to remove this hard drive and then use this protective case for this SSD. So next step, this is where we are going to be screwing to this case to hold it firmly. So our SSD is in position, so we just have to replace this case. So that's it for our SSD replacement. So the next thing is for us to fix back our screen. So the next step is for us to replace our screw, the one we removed from this port. And then we replace the stand. So that's it, guys. Now after replacement, we are also going to be testing if it's coming up or not, or if it's working or not. So why it's showing both device not found is because this is a new SSD, so I'll still have to install Windows on it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And also don't forget to like and subscribe.